at the Gilbert residence, and joining me is Carla Gilbert. And I should say thank you for inviting us into your backyard. It is just absolutely fabulous here.
Well, thank you so much.
You've got plenty of seating, so I can tell you enjoy getting out into your garden and really just appreciate what you've created here.
I have loved it. 44 years in this house, and this garden has really evolved.
Wow. Tell us a little bit about how it's evolved from when you first started.
Well, this used to be just dirt and mud and things like that, and a big old gum tree, and everything has evolved. This is all a new area here, just a couple of years ago, and
we're kind of on the side of your
plants and trees that come and go, and
Yeah.
we just kind of add one, lose one, and just keep filling it up. And more things that I can find to put in here, the more I get.
Squeezing everything in.
Yeah.
Well, what I love is we came around from the side of your house, and we're actually sort of on a side patio here. This is just the best side use of a yard I've ever seen, actually.
Oh, well, thank you. I do love it, and I sit and I watch the birds. You know, there's certain birds that are up here, certain birds over there, and I just love being out.
Well, I know a lot of times when we try to put in a sidewalk, we try to just put enough for our feet, but you've got a nice wide space here that you can actually sit and enjoy.
It's a lot of fun when we have a party.
I bet. Well, tell me a little bit about, so you've got a lot of, the azaleas are kind of on their tail end here, it looks like, but you've got a lot that's going to be coming on your peonies, your hydrangeas.
And the oak leaf hydrangeas, they're just starting to bloom. I see some little spots up there right now.
They're green still up there, but they're going to be coming on pretty soon,
Yeah.
probably for the garden tour, hopefully.
Yeah, that's right. We're hoping. We're hoping.
What I love, though, is with the Japanese maples and the subtlety of color right now, you've got a nice combination of textures and greens. It's so beautiful.
Well, thank you. I had a teacher, art teacher, teach me all about those colors of green. All the different shades of green. The artists always are outside, most of them. And then you have to pop some color here and there.
And you've done that with some annuals. I see some summer annuals that are early, obviously.
Yeah.
You got pentas and some zinnias and things like that.
And my hostas. I love the hostas. And some people don't like the flowers, but I do.
Go ahead and let them. That's less maintenance, right? To have to trim off those flowers.
Right.
Well, I like how you've added some whimsy into your garden too. You can definitely tell you've personalized this garden a little bit.
Well, they're all my things. I'm in a sorority that has owls.
Well, it definitely adds personality.
I think so.
I also hear some water, I think. Is that?
Oh, really? Well, we can walk around.
Do you have something that's making some?
Yes, I think I do.
All right, let's go take a look if you don't mind.
All right.
Carla, it seems like there's surprises around every corner here.
Oh, I do like surprises. I really love the pond, though. I'll tell you what, it is so much fun.
You got some big koi in there, too.
Yeah, and I feed them most evenings.
Do you?
They really come out. They've gotten big.
So you've mentioned your garden has evolved over the years. How old is this?
It's probably about 20 years old, something like that. It's been done over one time, so it's a little bit different than we started with.
And I like how you've got some of that sedum kind of tucked in there a little bit.
Yeah, it just kind of, it blew in the wind, and then we started collecting it, and it's really grown, and you would think it would freeze in the winter and be gone, and it becomes bigger.
It really brings that pop of green to the front, because behind you here, behind the waterfall, we've got a nice little fern deep shade garden back there.
Yes, I had a neighbor that gave me a start on that, and they just grow and grow and grow.
So you even got benches back there. That makes a nice little sitting area too. Tell me a little bit about how you established that.
Well, it just sort of evolved.
Okay.
I had two little benches, and I needed to use them someplace, and I stuck it back there, and it's just kind of a nice place.
Yeah, and again, you've got this beautiful couple of Japanese maples over the top to balance the green with
some
the
of them
maroon.
have just kind of popped in. Nature took them over.
Really? Okay.
They just grew up. A lot of my trees are like that. There's a little Japanese maple right now that's about that high.
On the side of your house, I think I saw that.
Over here.
Oh, okay.
It was where we were walking.
Okay, all right.
So anyway, these beautiful pink flowers that I love, they migrated from that area over to this.
The primrose over there.
The primrose. Yeah. And so this garden, we're still kind of building.
Very nice. Well, it aren't all gardens. We're always constantly building and changing them.
That's right. And the birds love my holly tree.
Oh, yeah.
And that's kind of a centerpiece for the nature. So we have that and the feeder, and the birds just are flitting around all the time.
Well, this garden is definitely a garden for the senses, with the sounds of the birds and the water, and then also just the visual stimulation. It's a beautiful garden. Thank you so much for sharing it with us.
This has been a lot of fun.
Thank you. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.